So now I'm just going to put the flower and the leaves together, and I'm just going to use 2 of them and then 1 flower. I'm just going to get some tape with a thick, the full width itself. I'm just going to start using it, stretch first, underside, tape, and then get it a bit lower and see where this one would fit. So wherever I just need to add that, I will bend it up a bit and see if I want to just keep it raised also. If it is good, then I will just lift that up and see how it looks, and tape along with that entire stem, and then come down a bit, and you could just keep this on the opposite side. And wherever I want to place, like it is straight that way, you can't go and hit the flower, right? So for which you just need to bend it in such a way that you will be able to get this stem together, but then the leaves actually not touching the petal at the time of you taping it. Later we will be able to just bring it back into different positions, and also after holding that complete stem together, tape all of them together. Now this is just with the wires that were just used to put the leaves together, the flower together, all the individual wires, right? Now if we have to use this on the cake, or then if you just want to keep it in a spray or a vase and take pictures or so, then you might have to just have another thicker wire to go below. So depending on the height of the stem that you're looking at, so start holding it like anywhere within the stem that you already have, and start taping a bit above that, and hold this wire, which is like an additional wire that you need. That will just make your flower a bit longer, the stem, to just extend that whenever you need. Even if you want to just add it onto the cake, you don't have to tape the entire thing as well. Just leave it like that with you. So you could just poke it on a foam pad, and once you're ready, you know how much of the wire you need, and then we could just use it on the cake as we want it. Okay, so this will be the flower cosmos, your first sugar flower. Pretty much simple, and handcrafted leaves as well. That looks pretty intricate and nice. And with this, we've made our first sugar flower for this course, and I will catch you up in the next lesson with another new flower.